Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Salesforce for investor pipeline reporting, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher located in the upper left corner. Type reports in the search bar and select the reports option from the drop-down. Click on the new report button to start creating a new report. In the report type selection window, search for investors. Select the investor's report type and click Continue. You can add or remove fields as needed by using the Add Fields panel on the left. To filter your report, click on the Filters pane. Set the criteria for your report, such as date ranges or investment amounts. Once you've configured your fields and filters, click the Run button to view the report. Review the report to ensure it captures all relevant data for the investor pipeline. To save your report, click on the Save and Run button. Provide a name for your report that clearly identifies its purpose. Optionally, add a description to clarify the report's content. Click Save to finalize your report. If you want to share this report with your team, select the Share button. Choose the appropriate sharing settings based on your team's needs. Now, if you need to schedule this report for regular updates, select Schedule Future Runs. Set the frequency and recipients for the scheduled report. Confirm all settings and click Save. Finally, you can export your report by clicking on the export icon in the upper right corner. Choose your preferred format, such as Excel or CSV, and download the report. Your investor pipeline report is now fully set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.